Alrighty, y'all. Dollar General is kicking off February with something big. It's the 7 Days of Savings event, running February 1st through February 7th. And this week is packed with deals you do not want to miss. Every single day brings a new way to save, from household essentials to food and drinks. If you love stacking digital coupons, grabbing quick in-store deals, or just stretching your budget a little further, this is the week to pay attention. I'm going to walk you through the hottest offers and the best matchups and the items you'll want to grab before they disappear. Some of these deals are one day only. On Sunday, February 1st, the deal is the $8.25 sale on Scott bathroom tissue. But also during this week, you can get $4 off when you spend $20 on select Scott products. On day 2, Monday, February 2nd, it's a buy one, get one free on the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent. And this includes Oxy Odor Blasters Fresh Burst scents in 32.5 ounces. On Tuesday, February 3rd, the True Living 18-gallon storage tote will be on sale for $5. And February is such a fun month for a storage tote because you can lean into seasonal resets, holiday themes, and winter organization. Whether you're rotating winter gear like hats, gloves, scarves, hand warmers, and snow gear, or storing bulky blankets after deep cleaning, or swapping for lighter throws. On Wednesday, February 4th, the deal of the day is going to be the 6-pack Coca-Cola products, and they're going to be 3 for $11. Now, February is a gold mine for creative 6-pack soda uses. You can do a DIY Valentine's Day gift and attach cute little tags that say "You're soda amazing." You can hand that out to teachers, coworkers, or kids. You can put them in a date night basket. You can pair a 6-pack with popcorn, candy, and some movie popcorn for a movie night. It can be a Galentine's treat pack. You can split the 6-pack into individual mini gifts with chocolate, and you can also use it for your Super Bowl party. Thursday, February 5th, the item to stock up on is the Wolf brand chili. It's going to be on sale 2 for $3. And February is the peak time for chili. It's good over baked potatoes. It's cheap, it's filling, and it's perfect for cold nights. You could have chili mac, chili cheese fries, and chili over rice. Now for Super Bowl ideas, you can have a chili dip. You can mix chili with cream cheese and shredded cheese and heat and serve it with chips. You could have a hot dog bar and use chili as a topping, or you can have walking tacos and you can pour chili into small chip bags and add cheese and toppings. On Friday, February 6th, you can stock up on select gift cards, and gift cards make the perfect Valentine's Day gift, birthday gift, or just something to keep in your own wallet. Now, there are select gift cards, like I said, they're 20% off, and it includes Academy, Doordash, Blooming Brands, and Nordstrom Happy. And on the final day of this promotion are the Ruffles and Lay's chips. They are going to be buy 2, get 1 free. And again, February is the perfect month for that because of all of the festivities that will be going on. All right, y'all, that wraps up this week's 7-day sale, and I hope you're as excited as I am because these deals are too good to sleep on. Remember, everything I showed you is available right now, but only for a limited time. Once this sale ends, once those items disappear, that's it, it's gone. So if you saw something you need for your home, your pantry, or your stockpile, don't wait, make your list, clip your coupons, and head to the store before the week is over. These are the kind of deals that help you stretch your budget, build your essentials, and save big without the stress. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day. I hope you're staying warm, and I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.